Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, wait. Unwrap, pull the tag, and your puppy comes to life. Wait. Can you get the thing down? Can you point it down so we can see this happening? Let's move all the stocking stuff out of the way. Angel, you want to put yours? Pull the tag, and the puppy says pull the tag. Wait. Pull here. It says pull here.
Pull here. Pull here.
Wait. It says pull the tag, and the puppy comes to life. How do I do this, Mom?
Hold on.
Turn around. Wait. Wait. It says read first. Read first. It says important. Read first. Remove outer box, top and bottom. Wait. It says,
I know what.
let me unbox myself.
Only open some of the presents,
Put it down.
and then have breakfast, and then open more.
Wait. Let's just watch. Let Angel see, but point the camera over there. Can you bring the camera over? Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Can you give me the stand, Daddy, so we can see it happening?
It's looking at it.
But there's something coming here. Can you hand it to me? As I guess. Thank you. Can you wait? Sissy, come sit in Mommy's bed so you can see Sissy. And then we'll see yours. We're just going to do one at a time and then we can see them. Look, the puppy's opening the box.
By itself.
Somebody has a lot of time to think about this kind of stuff.
I have no idea how it does that. Oh, it's punching the box. Angel, yours is right.
Oh my gosh. Wait.
Now what?
All right.
Take it out, Daddy.
Joe's ready for hers.
Yeah, we can take it out. It's gonna stay.
Watch out, it's gonna bite.
Okay.
Oh, you filming me?
Yeah.
Oh. He's staying on this one.
Oh,
He's not coming
Joe's
off.
is ready.
He's not coming off of this one.
Oh,
He's gonna stay on this. That's
forever.
that's for you. The mechanism is really.
Uh-oh, look, the paw.
I see.
Can you see Angel?
Yeah.
Wow, it's your puppy, Joe.
Wait, you can actually take it out. You can take it off that part.
I'm just saying, you like the bacon.
Dad, look.
However you want.
Look.
You know?
Mommy, look, you can take it off.
I'm sure you can, yes.
Right here, see?
Go, Papa. Look, it's opening the box. Wait, Joe.
No, don't help it, Joe.
Oh, Joe, honey. That means you want to help. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Wow, Joe. Wow, she's wildly kitty, Joe. I would let Daddy do it so it doesn't break, baby.
Shush, girl. Shush.
Look at that. Look at that, Mommy.
Wow, it does come off. Daddy's gonna take care of yours too, baby.
Yes. Oh, you have different colors.
Can I see her? This is Queenie. How cute. That's so cute, Angel. Aw. Do you like her, honey? Was that the color you wanted?
Yeah.
She's your Queenie. I love it. Joe was standing on the side of the tub and taking stuff out, and then she gets in the tub to take stuff out.
Wow. You know, whenever you can take advantage of anything, you do it. Including your size.
Can I see her? This is Queenie. How cute. That's so cute, Angel. Aw. Do you like her, honey? Was that the color you wanted?
Yeah.
She's your Queenie. I love it.
Let me help you. Leave the ties alone. Let me help you.
Oh, right.
But you wound up tightening it somehow. Okay, there you go. There. Now, get your head in there. Come on, get all the way in there. Get in there, Joe.
What is this anyway?
Wow.
I can't open it. Piggyback ride.
Okay. Angel, just pull the string.
What is this? It's a kid's computer.
Wow, what is it?
Angel, I opened it, sweetie.
Then
Yay!
it opens from the other side. There you go. There you go. You got it. You got it. It's opening. Oh, you had it. Yep, from that side. Yep. Oh, yeah, there you go.
Oh, wow. This is awesome.